Now, the cry for the resumption of sports locally has gotten louder over the last few weeks. But there is an issue plaguing the nation's foremost sporting facility. Major Desmond Brown, the general manager of Independence Park Limited, operators of the National Stadium complex, says while the complex is struggling with upkeep, it is also facing issues of vandalism.
The National Stadium would oftentimes have high volume of fans for various activities prior to the coronavirus pandemic. But during that time, operators struggled to cope with spectators destroying and stealing essentials from the premises. And with additional safety protocols needed to restart sports, the stadium facility has to be starting from scratch with some accessories due to indiscipline, according to IPL General Manager Major Desmond Brown.
We have a problem at the stadium. Anything you put on the wall is torn off. We put dispensers in the bathroom, expensive dispensers, and it's torn down.
It's torn. What you mean it's torn down? Outside people come in and steal it?
Yes. During events, they go in the bathroom. They damage the toilet. They damage the sink. And I can tell you, football is the worst. When certain teams lose, they break windows, they break seats, they damage the thing. That's the problem.
And if that wasn't bad enough, things have gotten to farcical levels.
It's kind of difficult to blame somebody. What we do, what we plan to do is to have persons with sanitizers. We buy soap dishes. People just put them handbag and then pocket and go to it. That's unfortunately the way we are.
Meanwhile, back in 2015, IPL was owed close to $46 million by sporting associations and $16 million by government entities. Positive strides have been made in clearing the debt, but some are still in arrears, according to Major Brown.
Most of the government agencies have paid up, but I can't say the same for the sporting association. Some have paid up, most have not. In fact, what has happened since then? What has happened since then is that the government has put a fund in place for sporting associations who are training, preparing teams for national duties. They put a fund to pay for the use of the national stadium. So that situation has not gotten significantly worse, but does not get better. So the government has put this in place.
Major Brown was speaking with Jordan Fort on Sports Grill on Hits 92 FM. The National Stadium as well as Stadium East have been earmarked as venues for the start of the National Premier League, which is proposed for a November 14 start. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.